family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious, authentic Salvadorian rice with Loroco. It comes out delicious. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Delicious, authentic Salvadorian rice. These are the ingredients. I have chicken bouillon, butter, 1 cup of rice, 1 tomato, half an onion, 1 garlic clove, and of course the star, the Loroco, and hot water. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing Salvadorian rice with Loroco. So let's get started. To make this amazing and delicious Loroco rice, I'm going to start with my tomato. I'm going to go ahead, slice it, and then cube it in very small little pieces. And I'm going to do the same thing with my onion. Slice it, cube it, almost the same size of the tomato, so that it really incorporates perfectly with the rice and the Loroco. And now, of course, I have my garlic. The garlic really gives it an amazing flavor. Please add the garlic when you make this amazing Loroco rice. Chop it really good. And of course I have my Loroco here, and let me show you. The Loroco are the flowers of the Loroco of the vine. This plant comes from Central America, and I am blessed because I have this vine here at home. And of course, let me show you all the ingredients. I have the diced garlic, cubed onion, cubed tomato. On this side, I have my rice. Any kind of rice is good. Chicken bouillon and 1 tablespoon of butter. And of course, the star of this dish is the Loroco. And you could really see all those little flowers of the Loroco. And now I am ready to prepare this amazing rice. Of course, I have my pan nice and hot. I'm going to go ahead and start adding the butter. When the butter is almost melting, I'm going to add the onion. I'm going to whisk it in, making sure that everything is really covered. A couple minutes later, I'm going to add the tomato. Right after, when you add your tomato, just incorporate it into the onion. And then add your garlic. When you add the garlic and you start smelling the aroma of the garlic, that's when you're gonna add your rice. Add your rice, incorporate it with the onion and the tomato. Cook it for about 3 minutes, making sure that you're moving it around so it's getting cooked from all the sides and it's really absorbing the tomato and the onion and garlic flavors. Look at this. Like I said, move it around for just a couple minutes. Once this is done, then you are going to add the water. And I'm going to add to 1 cup of rice. I'm going to go ahead and add 3 cups of very hot water. Remember, when you're making rice, you always add hot water to your rice. Don't add cold water. And here I'm adding the Loroco right on the top. Once you add your Loroco, add your chicken bouillon. Incorporate it completely. Lower the heat to medium low and make sure that you cover it. Cover for about 10-15 minutes, and when you come back, you will see that the rice is perfectly done. And of course, when you open the rice just like that, you could really smell the aroma of the Loroco. It's such intense aroma, but yet look at the rice. Look how it pulls apart. Every single granule of rice doesn't stick to each other. Like I said, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. And this is a very authentic Salvadorian rice made with this amazing Loroco plant. Make it at home. You could find this plant in the freezer of your supermarkets. And of course, here I am ready to add it to a plate for the presentation. But look at all those little pieces of the Loroco. The smell is amazing. My home smells delicious. And I really can't wait to dig in because this is a very delicious rice. I am sure you guys are really going to love it. Make this recipe. I'm sure you guys are going to love this amazing and authentic Salvadorian rice. I'll see you in a bit. With this amazing Salvadorian rice. This rice has Loroco in it. The Loroco has such an amazing taste that this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my delicious recipes. Excuse me. Oh my God. You know something? The rice really absorbed the delicious flavor of that Loroco. I am sure that you guys are really going to love this recipe. This rice is just amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you taste this amazing Loroco rice from El Salvador. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Thank you for always being here with me. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make this amazing Loroco rice. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.